Hi everyone, welcome back to Ferfertoys. Today we have Minnie Mouse Boutique cash register. This cash register is super duper cute and it looks like so much fun. Alright, here we go.
I'm so excited to start using my cash register.
Okay, the first thing we got were some coins. We have 25, 10, and 5-cent coins. We also have Minnie's charge card. That will come in handy. And some money. We have a $20 bill, a $10 bill, a $5 bill, and a $1 bill. Now let's take a look at our register. It has a Minnie Mouse bow at the top with her ears. It has a display here. It has $9.99 on the display. We have an on switch in the shape of a heart. We have an off switch in the shape of a heart as well. And then we have all of the numbers that we'll need to calculate our purchases and our total button. There's also a button that's in the shape of Minnie's bow. And if we hit it, it will give us the phrases that she'll say.
Isn't this fun? Oh my, what a good choice. You can always find what you need at Minnie's Boutique. I love shopping with you.
This is our conveyor belt with these super cute little bows on it. And then if you hit the Mickey shaped button, the cash register opens. And then we can put our money in there. So let's go ahead and do that. We'll put in our 25 cents and our 10-cent coin. And we'll also put in our 5-cent coin. Then we can also put in our money. So let's go ahead and put those right into the cash register. And we'll close that up.
Let's get started. Time to bring on the customers. I wonder who our first customer will be. Oh, hi Vampirina. How are you today?
I'm doing just fine.
Did you find everything you were looking for today? I sure did. I'm ready to check out. Okay, let's check out your purchases. Okay, that comes to $2.99.
Okay, let me just get my card. Will this card work here?
Sure. Let me just scan that for you. There we go. Okay, thank you for your purchase. Thank you.
Okay, let's see what Vampirina purchased. She got a My Little Pony movie Fashion, Series 7. So let's go ahead and open it. Oh goodness, look who she got. She Applejack. Oh, that's so sweet. I just love Applejack. She's got the prettiest yellow mane. And her cutie mark is those 3 little apples. Those are so cute. And with fashions, you can squish them. And stretch them. They're so squishy and stretchy.
I'm so excited. I can't wait to see who my next customer is going to be. Oh my goodness. Who's shopping for this LOL surprise? Oh, hi Peppa. How are you? I'm doing just fine. How are you, Minnie? Are you wanting this LOL doll? Yes. Well, let's go ahead and ring you up. That comes to $11.25.
Here is $10 and $1 and 25 cents. Thank you.
for my new LOL doll.
Okay, Peppa, let's open this up for you. Peppa chose an LOL doll from the glitter series. Let's see what we have first. Dress for success. Okay. Okay, we have our stickers here. She can either change color, spit, cry, or wet. Okay, let's see what we have next. Look at our cup, it has pink sparkles. Oh, look at these shoes, they're so cute. Oh wow, look at her outfit. This is going to be so sweet. Look at all that glitter. So cute. I love the leopard print. And the glitter along the bottom is really cute too. Okay, let's open this up and see what's inside. We got the collector's guide. I wonder which one we have. Let me out of here! Oh wow, look at all that glitter on her face. Oh my goodness, she's got a lot of glitter. I don't know if she's supposed to have that much glitter on her face. Whoa. Lots and lots of glitter. Goodness, you are covered in it. My fingers have got a lot of glitter on them too. Whoa. All right. Well, Peppa, it looks like you've got a new LOL baby doll. Let's see which one this is. Well, let's put her clothes on first. And here's her dress. Let's put on her shoes. There we go. And then we'll have to fill this up and see if she cries, spits, or wets. And then we'll have to also see if she changes color. There we go. Oh, here's her bow for her head. There we go. Okay, now which one did we get? Looks like we got Diva. Let's see if Diva is a color changer or a spitter, or let's see what she does. Oh, she's a spitter. Oh, goodness. Okay, let's... Oh, lost her bow. Oh, her bow is changing color. That's what changes color. Can you see that? Okay, so it starts out like that. That's really cool. She is super sweet and super awesome. Oh, here's your next customer, Minnie. Oh, it's Daisy. Daisy's been shopping. What did Daisy buy? Wow. Oh, it's a Kinder Joy. Okay, let's go ahead and ring that up. Beep. Let's ring up the total, Minnie.
Your total is $5.10.
Here's your money. Here's $5.10. All right, let's put the money in there. Close that back up. Okay, Daisy, let's see what you have inside your toy. Oh, it's a Kinder Joy. Let's open that up. Oh, wow, that was really hard to get open. Scooper. Oh, wow, let's see here. Got some pieces. Okay, let's try to put our toy together. Put these two pieces together. Okay, and this goes on top of here. Okay, and then this goes here. Okay, so this goes on here, and you're supposed to hold that, and whoa! There it goes. Whoa, that's cool. It's supposed to go around and around with it. Very neat. Okay, Minnie, who is our last customer? I think we've got one more. Let's see who it is. Oh, it's so sweet. It's Bird Baby, and she has a Hello Kitty blind bag. Oh, this is so sweet. It's from Series 1. Let's ring this up and see how much it is.
That'll be $3, please.
There you go.
Thank you. There you go. Hand that back to you.
Okay, let's open up the Hello Kitty blind bag collectible minifigure. Let's see what's inside. Oh, it's so sweet. It's a Princess Hello Kitty. She looks so cute. I love her pink long dress and her bow. And then she has a pink crown on her head. That is so sweet. Don't you love her? Aw, that's so nice.
Oh, I love her. I love her.
If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up down below. Alright, that's all we have time for today. Please leave a comment in the comment section which toy you like the best. And if you haven't already, please subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again next time. Bye-bye. Thanks for watching. If you'd like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. If you'd like to see more videos and don't want to miss out on all the fun, please subscribe.